Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit an event on Skool. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have Skool communities and want to go ahead and edit a current event. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is hop onto our Skool account and then click on Classroom and then click on Calendar. And then from this page here, you're going to see all of your events that you currently have scheduled. So we'll just skip into the next month right now. And so if I want to go ahead and edit this event right here, which is a strategy call with me, I would just click on the event and then click on the edit icon. And then if you want to edit all the recurring events or edit only this event, you would just select the correct option. So we'll just edit this event. And then maybe we want to change the description to say weekly call with John Kors where we talk about thumbnails. So with editing event, you can change the title, you can change the date, the time, the duration, you can set it to a recurring event. You can change the meeting location as well. And you can also change who can attend this event. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit an event on Skool. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.